Hello and welcome to our channel NutureMite, where we provide informative videos regarding health and lifestyle. Please like, share and subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon for important notification and videos.
Vitiligo. World Health Organization reported 21 to 87% of skin disorders in the general population of a developing country. Are you suffering from a skin disorder as well? No need to worry because we will help you to gain all the general information on a skin disorder. We have heard about discoloration of the skin, which is commonly known as vitiligo. According to the surveys, more than 1 million cases of vitiligo are reported each year in India. If you find symptoms of loss of skin color or premature hair whitening, you might be suffering from vitiligo. This video will guide you with the mandatory changes you need to make in your lifestyle if you are a sufferer. Vitiligo occurs with the lack of natural skin pigment called melanin. Melanin is produced by a specialized skin cell known as melanocytes. The death or depletion of the skin cell causes vitiligo. The color of the skin, hair and eyes depends on the type and amount of melanin. The onset of vitiligo occurs between the ages of 10 to 30. The affected area is more sensitive to sunlight compared to the unaffected areas. Vitiligo is an incurable condition that is chronic, lasting for years or even lifelong. It is more visible in people with darker skin color. Symptoms: loss of skin color in patches, appearing first on the hands, face and areas around body openings and the genitals. Premature graying of hair on the scalp, eyelashes, eyebrows or beard. Discoloration of the tissues that line the inside of the mouth and the nose. Causes: the substantial reason for the cause of vitiligo remains unrevealed in the world of dermatological science. However, it is predicted to be related to an autoimmune disorder, family history, a trigger event like stress, chemical exposure, skin trauma, or severe sunburn. Treatment: vitiligo treatment aims for the restoration of the color balance in the skin. It either involves the addition of pigments or its removal. There are medical or surgical treatments for vitiligo. However, the treatments do not work for all. Medical: the effects are usually visible after 3 months of medical treatment. Medical treatments include topical creams. Corticosteroid-rich cream helps to return the color to white patches in its initial stage. Some show side effects like skin irritation, excess hair growth, and skin shrinkage. Second, Sorrelin and ultraviolet A (PUVA) therapy. This treatment is a combination of the application of the cream on the skin and oral consumption of the Sorrelin pill. Further, UVA light is exposed to restore the color of the skin. Third, excimer laser treatment. This is applied to small areas of patches for 4 months. Fourth, depigmentation. It focuses on the fading of the color of the entire skin to match the areas that have lost color. Surgical. Surgical treatments include: first, skin grafting. Healthy pigmented skin is transferred to depigmented areas. Skin grafting may lead to infections, scarring, or failure to repigment. Second, melanocyte transplants. Melanocytes are extracted and allowed to grow in the lab. Then, they are transplanted to the depigmented areas of the skin. Natural preventive methods. Popular home remedies that help in the prevention of vitiligo include a paste of ginkgo biloba, a mixture of mustard oil and turmeric, a mixture of lemon and basil. Diet: Autoimmune boosting foods rich in phytochemicals, beta carotene, and antioxidants with lots of water is a healthy diet plan for the prevention of vitiligo. Some foods helpful for people with vitiligo are banana, apple, green leafy vegetables, chickpeas, root vegetables, dates. However, food containing depigmenting agents like hydroquinone shows a negative reaction to people with vitiligo. The following foods should be avoided in the diet: coffee, fruits of citrus family, alcohol, fish and red meat, curd, pickles, wheat products, tomatoes, blueberries and gooseberries. Vitiligo is a psychosocial disease. Several surveys conducted show that the patients of vitiligo suffer from low self-esteem and poor body image. It places a heavy emotional and psychological burden that is far worse than a physical impact. It is high time that we spread awareness about the disease and help them to lead an uncomplicated life.
Thank you. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Click on the bell icon for important notifications and videos.